Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully check and see roughly when a TikTok account was created. So while TikTok does not provide the specific information for any given creator, so if you go to their profile, there's no way to directly tell, I will show you guys a rough way to determine roughly when the account was created. So basically, you would just go to their video page, so on the profile, and just scroll as far down to the bottom as you can. And then once you get to the first video they published, you just would select the video, and then it would tell you down here at the bottom when it was posted, and that would give you a rough idea as to when the account was created. I know it's not a perfect method, but that's really the best option you have at this current time. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.